Hi everyone, in this video I will mention 10 common problems that third generation Kia Sorento SUVs are prone to experience. Number 1. 2.4-liter GDI engines in the early models of this generation are prone to suffer from rod bearing failure, and sometimes this issue causes the engine to cease completely or the connecting rods break, puncturing the engine block or the oil pan. Number 2. 2016 models have been recalled due to a defective accelerator pedal position sensor. When this part malfunctions, it causes the vehicle to lose all acceleration and enter into limp mode. Number 3. The soy-based coated electrical wires tend to get chewed by rodents, causing electrical problems. Number 4. Several 2017 models equipped with 3.3-liter 6-cylinder engines have been recalled due to the engine crankshaft not being properly heat-treated, making it fracture-prone. Number 5. 2016 and 2017 models equipped with accessory trailer hitch wiring harness have been recalled because the module in the harness is defective and it causes the trailer brake lights to stay on all the time. Number 6. The steering wheel in 2016 to 2018 models tends to stick when the vehicle is driven in a straight line for a sustained period of time, and it requires some force to unlock the wheel and turn it to follow the curves on the road. The solution to this issue involves replacing the faulty electric steering gear that is part of the steering column and reprogramming the system. Number 7. Some automatic transmissions in these vehicles tend to develop rough shifting and delay shifting condition. In most cases, performing a software update solves the problem. Number 8. The airbag control module is prone to malfunction, causing the airbag light on the dashboard to illuminate on and off randomly, and in some cases the light stays on all the time. Number 9. The panoramic sunroof tends to become hard to close, especially in cold climates. Cleaning and lubricating the tracks normally solves the issue. Number 10. 2016 and 2017 models equipped with GDI gasoline engines have been recalled because the metal line that connects to the engine-mounted high-pressure fuel pump is prone to develop leaks that could cause the vehicle to catch on fire. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that third-generation Kia Sorento SUVs are prone to experience. Take care.